Ahoy and welcome aboard the Carnival Jubilee. Today we'll be taking a look at the Family Harbor Ocean View room. Our room number was 4326, located across from the Family Harbor Lounge. Let's take a look. As you enter the room, you go through the hallway and past the bathroom. This setup has the children's sleeping area at the back of the room. When you arrive, there will be a nice welcome message with everyone's name on the TV. You can see that our couch has already been turned into a bed, and there is some nice art on the wall. Here is the picture window. On deck 4, we always had a clear view of the water. Here is the bathroom. As you can see, there is a decent amount of storage space, and the shower has a glass door. Next, we wanted to show you the room with the hidden bunk all set up. We also love the towel animals that were left on our room each day. So that was a quick overview of the room. Next, we wanted to show you some of the other great room features. To start, we have the climate control for the room. A good tip is to turn the temperature up when you leave and lower it when you get back. This will maximize the airflow when you need it most. Carnival now leaves a blank card so the electricity can stay active while you are away. Now you can keep your sail and sign card with you. All of the switches are push button, and this one turns on the light at the front and back of the room. The second switch controls the light over the bed. These are some towel or clothing hooks that we got a lot of use out of. Here is the closet space. Each closet has a section where you can hang clothes and a section with drawers or shelves. We did not have any issues putting away all of the clothes that we needed for our 7-night cruise. In the bathroom, we will first take a look at the shower. The shower is tall and comes with a clothesline to help you dry your swimwear. Carnival provides 2 soap pumps, one with shower gel and the other with shampoo. Carnival does not provide conditioner at this time, so we brought our own. Here on the countertop, we have the sink with provided hand soap, and there is also some extra space. We use this for our towels. Built into the counter, you will find the tissue and toilet paper, and just under there is more storage as well as a trash bin. We have a 3-year-old, and the Malaton foldable potty seat has been a lifesaver. It folds and unfolds easily, making it a must-have for our family. If you're interested, you will find a link to it in the description below. Next to the toilet is the drain, helping to keep everything nice and dry. There's also more storage next to the mirror. Moving on to the rest of the room. Here you can see another towel animal on the bed. Again, we just love these. My favorite was a monkey that was left hanging on the door. The bedding and carpet are nautical themed, matching the rest of the Family Harbor staterooms and lounge. As you can see, the TV is placed on the wall, giving you a bit more room. This room has a king-size bed, but there are many other options available that will suit any sleeping needs that you have. On either side of the bed, and by the picture window, you will find these neat little lights that turn on anytime it is swiveled out. It can be adjusted for reading or used for a nightlight for the little ones. Under each light, there is also a USB port, making it convenient to charge your devices. Just under the lights on either side of the bed, you will also find a sturdy metal tray that functions perfectly as a nightstand. On the headboard, there are some additional light switches. These light switches control the lights in the entire stateroom, so you don't have to get up from a relaxing nap to adjust the lights. The first switch turns on and off the small lights at the front and back of the room. The middle switch turns on and off the light over the bed. The last light switch turns on and off a strip of LEDs built into the headboard. Carnival does provide you with towels. You will want to make sure that before you get off the ship that you have the same number of towels in the room that you started with, or you may be charged an additional fee. You also have the option to check out towels by the pools. Next is the bench seat by the window. This was my favorite place to sit while in the stateroom. You can kick back and read a book, or just watch the waves go by. This was also a great place for the kids to relax. Under the bench, you will find a large storage space. On the desk area, there are 3 drawers that allow for more storage. As you can see, I packed plenty of socks. In the middle drawer, we had a laptop, hairdryer, and lotion. In the top drawer, you will find some laundry bags. Carnival will do your laundry for you for an additional fee. Now, unfortunately, they do not allow you to do laundry on your own, so we brought some laundry detergent called sink suds for emergencies. Each room also comes with a mini fridge. One thing that we always do is buy a few packs of bottled water from Carnival, and they will have it waiting for you in the room when you arrive. Also, if you did not know, Carnival allows you to bring one 750ml bottle of wine per adult in the room. Since we were right across from the Family Harbor Lounge, we had lots of access to drinks around the clock. Under the desk, there is a nifty little seat that will also turn into storage and can be converted into a table as needed. The last thing I wanted to show you is this USB fan. Oftentimes, the rooms on cruise ships can get a little stuffy. This little fan is small, but it was a lifesaver during the night, providing airflow and white noise. I highly recommend this or something like it when you travel. Thank you so much for going on this room tour with us. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment with what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.